Today I'm using the digital caliper to measure the thickness of my brake rotors. Thanks for joining me. Please stick with me till the end of the video, as I'm going to use the same digital caliper to measure my brake pad thickness. The rotors have the minimum thickness stamped on the side. If you run your fingernail along the face of the rotor, you'll feel a lip on the outer edge of the rotor. Also, you can feel if there's any deep gouges in the face of the rotor. Quick reminder to use jack stands anytime you lift the vehicle off the ground. So if you just use the digital calipers to measure your rotor, you're going to get an incorrect reading due to the lip. I'm using a pair of plastic washers and zeroing out the digital caliper to compensate for the thickness of the washer. The plastic washers go on the surface of the rotor, below the lip. Again, this is to give an accurate reading, because if you use the digital caliper alone, the lip is going to give you an incorrect reading. So we can see from the measurement here, my rotor thickness is within spec, which is awesome. Time to use the digital caliper to get an idea of the thickness of the brake pad thickness. Using the digital caliper for this will give you a general idea of the brake pad thickness. For a more accurate measurement, you can get a set of brake pad gauges. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe.